In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, then get into any album and just find a photo that you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide this one. I can just hold down my finger on it until it comes up, and then I can just hit at hide. Then hide photo, and what that will do, that will hide this photo from my camera roll. You can find all your hidden photos in hidden album. To do that, just go to albums, then scroll down until you find hidden. You can just tap on it and it will open up hidden album where you can find all your hidden photos. You can protect that hidden album with your Face ID or passcode. To do that, just hop out Photos app for now and head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find the Photos, and then scroll down again, and you need to activate Use Face ID feature. Just hit at that switcher to turn it on, and as long as Use Face ID feature turned on, Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. Also, you can hide even hidden album. To do that, just turn this feature off, which is called Show Hidden Album. If we go back to Photos, then Albums, we can see that there is no hidden album anymore. If you want to unhide a photo, you can easily do so. Just open up hidden album, use your Face ID if it's required, and then just hold down on the photo that you want to unhide, and then just hit add unhide. Also, you can bulk unhide photos. Just hit add select, then select the photos that you want to unhide, then hit add these three dots icon next to trash icon and select unhide. What that will do, that will immediately unhide all the photos you've selected. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.